I am traveling towards Kalima Temple, Patton Ishar Nagar. I have replaced the bicycle tire tube today afternoon. New brake shoe has also been installed. This time I will use stairs to reach Kalima and Shiv Temple, Gaon, Patton Ishar Nagar, Indore, because I decided to upload some videos of a restaurant owner on the way towards this temple and consumed some peaches also along with chapati, potato, soybean. Then I created his channel also. The picture quality is too blurred. So I have reached the Kalima Temple. One of the mobile has been shut down because the battery has been discharged completely. So I am using the other mobile which don't have 4K processing capability. But still the picture quality is too good, comparable and acceptable also. If people have faith, they can regard it as excellent quality also. The other one is Realme, but this one is Realme 8i, which possess 4G and TFT screen, while Realme 8 has Super AMOLED, whose review was also posted by me. You can see Shivji Bhagavan, Krishna Bhagavan, and Nagaraj. After cleaning the camera lenses, the picture quality is slightly improved. I couldn't complete the my ride or map my ride by cycling GPS location completion route also because the battery was discharged suddenly as soon as I completed uploading the video of that restaurant owner. When he requested that he wanted to expand his business, I thought I can transfer the recorded video to his mobile and it would be better to upload from his own YouTube channel. People used to create YouTube channel randomly, try to post some videos, but they are not able to promote their own channel properly. Whenever I find anyone so much dedicated towards his profession, I used to consume 10 or 15 minutes of my crucial time and facilitate his channel's aspects.